Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to this video where we learn about a keyword in Python that does nothing. If that sounds interesting, let's dive in. So this is the previous code that we had where we were learning about the continue keyword. So I'll just return this code the way it was. I'll turn this on, or I can just leave it like that, no problem, because I'm no longer using continue, I'm using pass. So as I've said earlier, the pass keyword does nothing. It's just a placeholder for future code. If you place it, you can just place it anywhere. It's not a must you place it in a loop. You can just place it anywhere, and it's not an error. I can just write pass anywhere, and my code will just run the way it was working before. Nothing will change with the pass keyword. You can see everything is just working the way it was working. So this pass keyword, it does nothing, but for programmers, it's kinda useful because it comes a time where you want to do something, but not that time. You want to do something in future. For example, if I just write if and I leave it like that blank, you can see it's an error. This code can't run because it's an error. So to prevent this error, maybe I want to do something later. I can just write here pass, so that I've not done anything, but at least it's not an error. The code can still work, and this if has nothing. It does nothing, but the code still works. And that is how we use the pass. It's commonly used with functions and classes, but since you have not learned about the functions and classes, when you learn about them, we'll see how we'll apply pass in their definition. And just to summarize, pass does nothing. It's just a placeholder for future code. So if you just define anything and you can just write pass and leave it like that, it will tell other developers that you will come back to it later and do something. So that is it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.